Hey guys, what's up? It's Queenie here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you're new, make sure you hit the thumbs. What am I saying? If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, and if you're not, thank you for coming back. Let's get right into this video. It's going to be all about how I get my simple curly hair into a nice, sleek, beautiful low ponytail. You don't need anything special to do this. You don't need a lace wig, a frontal wig. You don't need any of that. All you need is a closure wig, or if you have it sewn into your head, that works too. But you just need a 3x4 closure and 2.5 bundles of Malaysian curly hair. This hair is from Beautyforever and it's 20 inches. And you can obviously go shorter if you want something shorter, and if you want your ponytail to be more like condensed and right here. You guys know what I mean. So I'm getting right into this video. I'm going to switch into a voiceover so it's more detailed and specific. So yeah. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to do is shift my wig to the side because we're doing a side part. I feel like that's just the vibe. So I'm going to shift it just like this. And you can just decide where you want your part, and that's it. So alright guys, so first things first, I'm going to go ahead and tie my hair into a low ponytail. I like to leave a few hairs on the side, as you can see, just to give it a bit of style, and then we'll work with that later. So I tie that into a little ponytail. Doesn't have to be perfect right now. And then I go in with my spray bottle, as you can see, and I wet my hair a little bit just so it can be a little bit easier to style. And then of course, to get the curls to smooth down, I use a hard bristle brush on it, just as I would with my natural hair as well, just so I can get the curls really flat and we get less waves. So as you can see, I'm going in with my Got To Be Freeze spray, and this is just to help secure the part. So once you decide exactly where you want the part, you can go in with some freeze spray, make it stay down, and then it won't move. So what you're seeing here is that I'm using a little bit of Eco Styler. I put it in there, brush it down, and my wig is secure and ready to go. So I'm just gonna make sure it's in the right spots, and then I take some bobby pins and clip them on the sides and wherever else needs to be tightened. These bobby pins also help keep the wig in place. Just because it is a closure wig, it's not secured all throughout the front, so bobby pinning it down also helps it not shift throughout the day. So I'm going in with a little bit more Eco Styler to make sure it's nice and slick. Again, we don't want any waves going on, and I mean, if we have a little bit, it's fine, but just to make it look nice and neat, I like to brush it down completely. And then to secure it, I go in with some Got To Be Freeze spray on my hand lightly, and then I lay down any flyaways, and this also helps the style last throughout the day, because with Eco Styler, sometimes a bit of humidity can make it kind of disappear. So little Got To Be Freeze spray will seal it up, and then I use the same Got To Be Freeze spray to do my edges as well, so nothing is moving and everything is secure and looks nice and neat. That's what we're going for. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and cut those little sides, the little pieces of hair there, because you don't want them to be too long, and I thin them out, and then I go in with a little bit of Eco Styler to curl them up, and then that's basically it. And then I do the same thing to the ends of my hair, so I get rid of any straggly hairs because we want this puff to be bigger and puffy. We want a little bit of frizz, so I'm back combing my hair so it becomes more of an afro look to it, and it makes the puff a bit bigger. So this is preference, but this is just how I like to wear my ponytails. So when I wear it at the back of my head, you can still see a big puff going on. So that's basically it. It's really simple. So you just kind of brush your hair out as much as you like, and you're good to go. Alright, so that is it for this video. As you guys can see, it is very simple. All you need is some versatile, good quality hair. So I will leave the details of this hair down in the description box below. This is one of the few companies that I have tried like years and years ago, and this was my go-to company for curly hair. So if you guys are interested, the details will be in the description box. Make sure you follow me on Instagram so you can stay updated to find out how this hair is doing. I will be posting pictures and sharing updates when I wear it and stuff, so make sure you follow me on there if you are interested, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos from me. Subscribe if you haven't already, and yeah, comment down below, let me know what you think. If you have any burning video requests, comment them down below as well. But If not, I just kind of go with the flow and do what I think you guys might enjoy. So message me on Instagram if you have any questions or need help with anything. Just be patient, please. It takes me a little bit of time to get through everything, but I try to help you guys as much as I can when it comes to hair questions. But anyways, thank you guys. I will see you all in the next one. Bye.